Dowdy. Third, Shikhar Dhawan retires from cricket, receives the tribute from Sachin